Respect. You don't earn it by talking for hours. You earn it in the first 5 seconds. That's all it takes. Before you speak, before you shake hands, before you even sit down, judgment has already been passed. Why? Because we're wired for it. Our brains are built to make instant evaluations, back when survival meant reading danger in a glance. Today, it's not about predators in the wild, it's about who walks into the room with presence and who fades into the background. And if you want to stand out, not by shouting, not by begging, but by simply existing in a way that commands attention, you need to understand how power really works. This isn't a lesson in fake confidence. It's not about tricks or phony gestures. This is about subtle, silent strength, the kind that doesn't just get noticed but demands respect. It starts before you speak. Your energy enters first. Think about that. Your vibe, your pace, your posture, your presence. It walks in the door before your words ever do. And most people walk in like they've already lost. Hunched shoulders, nervous hands, eyes searching for approval. But not you. You're going to pause. Right at the entrance. Just 2 or 3 seconds. That pause. That's not uncertainty. That's control. It says, I choose my moment. I move on my own terms. In a world that rushes, stillness is power. Then, take a slow glance around. Not darting, not frantic, calm, measured. You're not looking for someone to approve of you. You're scanning the space like it belongs to you. Because mentally, it already does. That pause at the door, psychologists call it a power signal. A move often used by leaders, negotiators, and operators. It's subtle, but people feel it. And they respond. They give space. They adjust their posture. They sense something different. Next, your walk. Walk with purpose. Not fast, not sluggish, just steady, composed. The powerful aren't pulled, they lead. And the way you walk tells everyone whether you're a player or just background noise. Mafia bosses, top CEOs, elite performers, they all have one thing in common, they don't rush. Now when you lock eyes, do it intentionally. Not with everyone, just one, maybe 2 people. Not a forced smile, not a desperate grin, just presence, just awareness. A single second of eye contact is enough to say, I see you. I'm not here to be liked. I'm here because I belong. Then break eye contact, slowly. Because confidence doesn't flinch. Your movement, your pace, your stillness, they all send signals. The more stable you appear, the more power people assign to you. Perception becomes reality. People react not to who you are, but to how you carry yourself. When it's time to speak, let your tone carry the weight. Don't rush. Don't raise your voice. Speak low, speak slow. It's not about how much you say, it's about how much your words resonate. Calm, grounded speech holds more power than shouting ever will. Think of the calm ones in movies, the silent masterminds, the strategic leaders, the ones everyone listens to when they finally speak. That's not by accident. Silence is tension. Tension is power. And here's the twist. Most people walk into new rooms thinking, I hope they like me. That mindset is your cage. Change it. Flip it. Walk in thinking, let's see if they earn my time. That's not arrogance. That's self-worth. Your body language, your rhythm, your silence, all of it should say one thing, I don't need validation. I am enough. Because in this world, respect doesn't come after you prove yourself. It arrives the moment people feel your presence. And that happens within the first 5 seconds. Master that moment, and the room is already yours.